So Jack, do you reckon this is going to work with that rope?
No, not a chance. She moves! She moves! Alright, test one. Butane gas with a nozzle straight in the airbox. No accelerator. It loves it. It loves it. Alright, so we've tried to resurrect the VS. We've been confronted with a fuel issue, we suspect. Seems to run fine off premium butane gas up the airbox, but I suspect a fuel pump. We just do the fuel filter and process of elimination from here.
Oh, that hose has fucking come off.
That's maybe our problem.